In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply your tax refund to next year's taxes using Turbotax with the 2022 Form 1040. This is a great way to get ahead on your taxes, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Turbotax official site. This is where you'll be able to file taxes conveniently online. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy for you to access your account. Go ahead and click that button to enter your login details and access your Turbotax dashboard. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Turbotax homepage. From here, scan for the section titled 2024 Taxes. Clicking on this option will guide you through your tax documents and settings for the year in question. It's a straightforward step that sets you up for applying this year's refund to next year's taxes. Once you've clicked on the 2024 taxes section, the next part of this process involves finding and clicking on the federal option. This is crucial because it ensures that we're dealing specifically with your federal taxes, which is where we'll apply your tax refund. Moving forward, locate and click on the Other Tax Situations tab. This part of TurboTax is designed to help manage the various unique circumstances that aren't necessarily covered in the standard tax filing sections. It might seem like an extra step, but it's essential for setting up the refund application. In the Other Tax Situations section, look for the option called Add More Uncommon Situations. This gives you access to a wider array of tax scenarios. Don't worry if the list looks a bit daunting, we're going to guide you right to what you need. Next, you need to click on Additional Tax Payments. This feature allows you to manage any extra payments you may want to apply towards your taxes, like the refund we're setting up for next year. The options here are expanded to cater to various payment situations. Then you'll click on Apply Refund to next year. This is the key step, where you indicate your desire to have this year's refund amount applied to your next year's tax bill. It's a simple click that makes a big impact on your tax planning. Finally, click on Start. This will initiate the process and lead you through any additional prompts or confirmations needed to complete your application of a tax refund to the next year's taxes. Make sure to review the information for accuracy before finalizing. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can apply your tax refund to next year's taxes efficiently with TurboTax. This strategic choice can help in managing your finances better for the year ahead. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your tax preparations.